Hello friends, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to make something very interesting. As we all know, Indian breads are very famous. So today we are going to make a paratha of a different style. In this paratha we are not going to need any sort of dough, or also we are not going to use a single drop of oil. So please check this video out and watch this video till the end, and let me know in the comment section below how do you find it. So let's watch the next clip to know the complete process of making this paratha, which is a liquid dough paratha. So yes, let's watch the process. So friends, for making this dish we need all of this. Starting with the ingredients, here we need 1 cup of atta, some finely chopped coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, haldi powder, salt and some required amount of water. First we need to add all of these ingredients in the bowl and mix it properly by adding the same amount of water as we have done with the atta, and then later on we need to add more water for making it more watery in consistency. So here first I am adding 1 cup of atta in the big bowl, and next here I am adding a pinch of salt. While adding salt we need to always keep in mind that we need to add a little bit of less salt, as we are going to make it liquidy in consistency. Here I am adding a pinch of haldi. Then we have to add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next here I am adding 1 cup of water in the mixture. And at the last, here I am adding some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Now we have to mix it very properly until it turns into a fine mixture. So here I am adding some bit of more water. After the mixture is complete, here you can see the consistency that we have achieved. So after that we need to pour it in the measuring cup, and then we need to transfer it into the pan that has been heated a few minutes before. So here you can see I have poured it on the pan, and then we have to let it cook from one side properly. Here I have chosen the gas instead of induction stove because of some power cut issues. So after that, here you can see it is partially cooked from one side, and now here I am turning it from the other side. So now we have to let the other side cook properly, and here you can see after cooking the opposite side, the paratha is ready to get served. So this is the complete process. So here as you can see, the paratha platter is ready. Soft and delicious paratha are on the plate, and this can be served as a beautiful breakfast in the morning. So I hope you like this recipe, and please let me know in the comment section below how do you find it. So friends, this was all about the dish. And yes, as we know, the Indian flatbreads and the Indian breads are very famous worldwide. So this was just a new sort of paratha that we made today. Do definitely try this at home and let me know how do you find it. So we will be meeting very soon in the upcoming video. So till then, if you like this video, then please to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye guys.